Welcome to downtown New York, the vibrant and bustling heart of the city. As you navigate its lively streets, you'll be overwhelmed by the energy and excitement that permeates every corner. First stop, the iconic Times Square. Marvel at the colossal billboards illuminating the night sky, capturing the essence of New York's vibrant culture. Next, make your way to Wall Street, the financial hub of the world. Feel the buzz of business and witness the world-famous Charging Bull statue, representing the strength and resilience of the city. Take a stroll along the High Line, a unique park built on an elevated historic freight rail line. Enjoy stunning views of the cityscape, beautifully landscaped gardens, and intriguing art installations. Indulge in the delectable culinary scene, where a world of flavors awaits. From trendy food trucks to iconic pizza joints, downtown New York offers something for every palate. Broadway, the pinnacle of live theater, beckons with mesmerizing shows that captivate audiences night after night. Don't miss the chance to witness the magic firsthand. As your day comes to an end, find solace in the serenity of Battery Park. Breathtaking views of the Statue of Liberty and the tranquil waterfront provide the perfect setting for reflection. Downtown New York is a reflection of the city's vibrant spirit and diverse culture, so come and experience the magic for yourself. Thanks for exploring downtown New York with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.